Good morning, my dear students. Today, I am going to discuss the next unit, carbonyl compounds in organic chemistry. Under the carbonyl compounds, the subunits includes aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids. I am Dr.R.G, Professor of Chemistry, who is taking class for you. Now, even though carboxylic acids are given as per the syllabus under the carbonyl compounds, so I will discuss aldehyde and ketones separately and carboxylic acid separately because the behavior of properties are entirely different for carboxylic acid from carbonyl compound. So aldehyde and ketone have same general method of preparation, properties, etc. Whereas carboxylic acids are behaving a different way. And because of this general carbonyl group, so they have included all the three in the same chapter. So let me concentrate first carbonyl compounds. That means only aldehydes and ketone. Please follow. General formula: aldehyde RCHO, ketone RCOR. This is the general formula of. Carbonyl compounds are formed by replacement of hydrogen atoms in a hydrocarbon, aliphatic or aromatic, by CHO aldehyde or by COR, that is ketone. So RCHO aldehyde, RCOR ketone. This is the general definition for carbonyl compounds. As I already told you, and whenever you take any organic compound, that is the classifications, first we have to discuss this for the corresponding compound. So under this aldehyde and ketone, we have four specific tests to differentiate aldehyde and ketones and to identify the aldehyde and ketone. The first test, Borsky test, kindly follow. You can ask me, what is Borsky reagent? Kindly follow. Borsky reagent is nothing but 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. This is the Borsky reagent. This is the Borsky reagent. Kindly follow. What will happen is, when you treat this Borsky reagent with aldehyde or ketone, undergoes condensation reaction to produce corresponding products, so giving characteristic precipitate. So let me now say, to 1 ml of Borsky reagent, add few drops if it is liquid, or solid few crystals of compound add. Immediately you will get yellow or red precipitate shows aldehyde, yellow or red precipitate shows ketone. So this test is common for both. That means both aldehyde and ketone will answer for Borsky test. Kindly follow. Let me remind you again. Borsky reagent is nothing but 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. Actually, what is happening? Any aldehyde or keto group it is present there. Kindly I write you. So this is undergoing condensation reaction. Water is getting eliminated. So N double bond CR or CRR, the product will form. That is responsible for the yellow or red precipitate. Kindly follow. The second test is called Skiff's reagent. What is Skiff's reagent? It is para-rosanilin in sulfur dioxide. It is a complex structure, so it is not necessary I have to draw. It is a dye, you may remember that. Name you must memorize. Para-rose-aniline in sulfur dioxide. Para-rose-aniline in sulfur dioxide. It is the reagent, Gibbs reagent. So, few drops of aldehyde or ketone, kindly follow. Add few drops of the reagent, kindly follow. Para-rose-aniline sulfur dioxide, that is Gibbs reagent. Aldehyde magenta color, rosy red color, magenta, whereas ketones will not give no magenta. So by Gibbs reagent you can differentiate aldehyde from ketone. Kindly follow. The third test, tolerance test. Tolerance test, nothing but that is ammoniacal silver nitrate. Please remember ammoniacal silver nitrate. To 1 ml of ammoniacal silver nitrate reagent, add a few drops or crystals and heat in a water bath. You have to heat in a water bath. In the case of aldehyde, bright silver mirror or black precipitate is formed. It is aldehyde. No bright silver mirror or black precipitate shows ketone. So only aldehyde it is positive and ketone negative. Tolerance. The last one, Felling's test. So when you say Felling's, so there are two reagents are there. Felling's A, Felling's B. Felling's A, it is copper sulfate in sodium hydroxide. Kindly follow. And Felling's B, sodium potassium tartrate. Tartaric acid is there. In the tartaric acid, both acid group that H will replace by one is by potassium, another is by sodium. It is called sodium potassium tartrate. So you mix 1:1 ratio, Felling's A, Felling's B solutions to 1 ml of this reagent, add a few drops or crystals of aldehyde and ketone and heat in a water bath. In the case of aldehyde, red precipitate is formed. In the case of ketone, no red precipitate is formed because aldehyde easily oxidized by copper oxide, that is formed from this Felling's reagent, converted into acid producing cuprous oxide is a red precipitate. So that precipitate is due to the formation of Cu2O. Kindly follow. This is the important information. The same way here in the tolerance, it is due to the deposition of silver. Kindly follow. Okay, right. Next, as per our routine, the informations we have to discuss. So test we have discussed. Next one, classification of carbonyl compounds, nomenclature, isomerism, preparation, properties and uses we have to discuss. I told you since aldehyde and ketones are behaving same way, so I will take both together in the same heading for the preparation and properties and I will discuss. So first let me take classification. In this chapter, I am taking classification, nomenclature and isomerism only I am taking now today. Preparation and properties I will discuss later. First one, under the carbonyl compounds, aldehyde or ketones, we can classify into aliphatic and aromatic. Aliphatic we can classify open chain and closed chain. Aromatic we can classify aryl and alkyl. Open chain we can classify saturated and unsaturated. This is the common classification of any organic compound. Only thing is that corresponding functional group we have to introduce. So let me come for carbonyl compounds. Aliphatic example, aldehyde example I am giving containing 5 carbon atoms. So pentaldehyde. Please follow. Pentanaldehyde. Pentanaldehyde common name, or I can simply say pentanal, IUPAC, AL, pentanal. 1-pentanol. Suppose if it is a ketone, same 5 carbon atom, I can give example. The number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is the third carbon atom, 3-pentanol. My dear student, please have clear in mind, even though it is indicating position, it is not positional isomerism, it is coming under only metamerism. Kindly follow. Some books they are giving wrongly. This is under the positional isomerism. This is only metamerism. Kindly follow. Coming for aromatic, COR, if R equal to H benzaldehyde, R equal to CH, it is CH3 acetophenol. Please follow. Now, coming for the aromatic carbonyl compounds, benzaldehyde, this is aryl aldehyde, this is diphenyl ketone, aryl ketone, this is acetophenone or alkyl ketone. Kindly follow. This is aldehyde only one, but in the case of ketone there are two possibilities we can give. Even in this alkyl aldehyde, if you want example, that is this is the example. Kindly follow. This is alkyl aldehyde. This is actually nothing but 2-phenyl acetaldehyde, correspondingly aceton, that is ethanol. So, let me go for, under the nomenclature, as per the rule, common name first. That is HCHO formaldehyde, CH3CHO acetaldehyde. Formaldehyde first member, second is acetaldehyde. Then acetone, it is the ketone, common name. Kindly follow. Then, coming for the, we are now coming for directly IUPAC name. And as usual, the common name you can also give based on the, kindly follow, based on the chain arrangement, we can give the name. We have, already normal, iso, neo also, because we are repeating many times, so I am avoiding here. And also position of the functional group we can, but this is the carbon containing functional group, so we should not apply that one. So primary, secondary, tertiary will not come here. This is the most important information. So primary, secondary and tertiary, we are using the term only for the functional group having monovalency containing, please follow, remember, and that too should not contain carbon containing functional groups. There only positional isomerism possible actually, so that they based on that only we can give primary, secondary and tertiary. Okay, now let me come back here. IUPAC name, acetaldehyde, IUP common name, IUPAC ethanol, AL, propanaldehyde, propanol, acetone, IUPAC 2-propanone. Then this is 2-butanone. Kindly follow. Butanone, 2-butanone. Kindly follow. This is the IUPAC name. Coming for the aromatic compounds, benzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde. IUPAC also named benzaldehyde. Kindly follow. Coming for ketones, this is the first member, acetophenone common name, IUPAC also acetophenone. Next chapter, isomerism. We know already. What is isomerism? The compounds containing same molecular formula but different physical and chemical properties are called isomers, and the phenomenon exhibited by this isomer is called isomerism. So let me take here specifically aldehyde first, I will discuss, then I will discuss ketone. First let me take aldehyde. Under the aldehyde, what are the isomerism possible? Chain possible, functional group possible, optical possible. So positional isomerism not possible, metamerism not possible, geometrical not possible. Kindly follow. They are very interesting informations. So possible is only chain, optical and functional group. Please follow. Let me discuss only the examples of possible isomerism. Chain isomerism. So this is the normal chain. Kindly follow. Pentanol. This is actually, we'll call it as 3-methyl butanol. Or simply you can use isopentanol. Kindly follow. Isopentanol. Examples. It's based on the chain arrangement. And functional group isomerisms, that means compounds having same molecular formula but different functional groups. So this is aldehyde, propanaldehyde. This is ketone, acetone. So 2-propanone. So these are having same molecular formula but different functional groups, CHO and CO. So they are, so exhibit aldehyde functional group isomerism. Optical, as you should know, optical, the chain and optical isomerism is always possible in all types of organic compounds. So as usual, we know what is the rule we will follow. Generally, in order to predict the optical, always write H below, CH3 left and CH2, CH3 at the top. Right side your functional group, in this case HO. Kindly follow now. This is the corresponding aldehyde. 2-methyl butanol. 2-methyl butanol. This is the structure. Kindly follow. So this is the showing optical isomerism. Kindly here I am showing in theoretically. So this is as per the rule, or 2-methyl butanol. This is yes 2-methyl butanol based on the RS configuration. Corn in gold and Trillox rule we are predicting. This we have already discussed, so I need not discuss again. Coming for ketone, please follow. So under the ketones, what are the isomerism possible? Chain possible, functional group possible, optical possible, additionally metamerism possible. Because I told you to show metamerism, what is the condition? Any functional group having divalency, so it will occupy center of the chain. So aldehyde is monovalency, it will not show. Only difference here, metamerism, the ketones only show. So what are the isomerism not possible? Geometrical not possible, only alkene and alkene derivative. Positional isomerism, carbon containing functional group will not show positional isomerism. According to that, aldehyde and ketone will not show. Please follow. The remaining 4 I will discuss now. Under the chain isomerism, kindly follow. This is the, under the ketone, 2-hexanone. There are 6 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 2-hexanone. Example. And this is another one, kindly follow. If you take common name, isohexanone, kindly follow. This is normal hexanone, this is isohexanone. So IUPAC 2-hexanone, then this is 4-methyl 2-pentanone. Numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4-methyl 2-pentanone. So this is the chain isomerism. Functional group isomerism, as in the case of aldehyde here, ketone will show again aldehyde. In this, under the aldehyde we have discussed, aldehyde is giving ketone. So under the ketone will show, ketone will give aldehyde. So acetone, 3 carbon atom, that is C3H6O. This is the general formula. So acetone as well as propanaldehyde. Kindly follow. So same molecular formula but different functional group, CHO and CO. Then third one, metamerism. What is metamerism? We have already discussed. Kindly follow. Even though number is given, don't confuse with positional isomerism. It is, metamerism is different. What is metamerism definition? Compounds having same molecular formula but difference in arrangement of carbon atom on either side of the functional group. On either side of the functional group. On either side of the functional group, if the carbon arrangement differs, it is metamerism. So if you take CO, here 1 carbon atom, here 4 carbon atom, it is 2 hexanone. If you take this one, CO, here 2 carbon atom, here 3 carbon atom, this is 3 hexanone. Kindly follow. So 2 hexanone and 3 hexanone are specific examples of metamerism. Kindly follow. Optical. As usual, we know already optical, how we can predict H, CS3, CS2, CO, CS3 and CO, CS3. Kindly follow. This is the functional group. So now kindly follow how we can give the name for this. This is the parent, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pentanone, 2 in 3, the 2 pentanone. So 3 methyl 2 pentanone. So this is the structure. 3 methyl 2 pentanone is a specific example of optical isomerism. It shows 2 isomers. So that is called 3 methyl 2 pentanone. Kindly follow. I am writing in the form of R configuration. I am writing in the form of S configuration. So what is optical isomerism? Compounds having same molecular formula but difference in optical activity are called optical isomers, and the phenomenon exhibited by optical isomer is called optical isomerism. See, but unfortunately, for all compounds, we cannot predict the optical activity. But we can say one is plus, another is minus. But which is plus, which is minus, only by determining experimentally using polarimeter we can. But instead of that, theoretically, with the help of RS configuration given by Kahn, Ingold and Prelog, we can predict R or S. Kindly follow. R or S, this is R, this is S. Kindly follow. So R may be plus or minus. Same way, S may be plus or minus. If R is plus, S will be minus. If R is minus, S will be plus. This is the only thing you have to remember. Kindly follow. So what you have to keep in your mind, the configuration, theoretical configuration R and S can be predicted theoretically. Optical isomerism plus and minus we cannot predict theoretically, we can measure only experimentally. Please follow. Only from the measurement of isomerism or the plus and minus only we can predict optical isomerism. But for simplicity, we can be able to write the RS configuration in 2-dimensional notebook or board or the board or notebook. So we can write R and S configuration saying that it may be plus or minus, S may be plus or minus. So it is optical isomerism. These two isomers are called enantiomers. Kindly follow. So I come to the conclusion, my dear students. So thank you very much for your kind cooperation you have given to me by seeing my channel Neat Chemistry by Dr.R.G in YouTube. If you are the first time seeing, please, I request you kindly please click like and click subscribe button and also share with your friends. So it will motivate me. And for you, I want to give some information regarding my YouTube channel. I have started this channel, that is Neat Chemistry by Dr.R.G in order to help poor people of India who are not able to go to even tuition for physics, chemistry, maths, because normally they find difficulty in this chapter. So as a chemist, I want to help only chemists I want to help. That's why I started the channel. When I started, what I included that under the basic concept of chemistry, In the book it's only 16 pages. But I took, under the basic concept, I have taken 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard chapters also included according to the basic idea, arranged in the order, and also included +1 chapter also. So it will be nearly 16 to 17 units, the subunits, lessons I have taken. So it is useful for 8th student, 9th student, 10th student, 11th and 12th. Please follow. So kindly, if you follow YouTube's, I can give guarantee you will get out 100 out of 100 in your class examination, that is board examination. Also, if you go for NEET common entrance examination, you will get 180 out of 180. Please follow. So thank you. So please view my channel and share with your friends, so let them also enjoy, especially poor students, please. Now, I am having another information to the students who are waiting for this academic year, NEET common entrance examination conducted by Government of India. That is students studying +1, +2 and +2 completed student. This is the most important information for you. So we are running a coaching center, Vetri Coaching Center in Pondicherry for the last 21 years, 20 to 21 years we have conducted. And we have our own website, Vetri.S, framed by Mr. G. Ganesh. Is the G. Ganesh, who is the software engineer. He designed according to my guidelines so that it is very, very suitable, better than any other online coaching. Kindly you can see. And if you go Vetri.S and view our achievements in the home page, one or two achievements I will give. Number one, every year 10 to 20 students are going to JIPMER medical colleges. And for the last 20 years, all Pondicherry first rank we are getting, except 1 or 2 years, we are getting second and third rank. So maximum number of years we are getting the first rank. That we have given everything proof with photograph. Kindly verify. Name, school, everything we are giving. And another important interesting, in 2003, R. Srinivasa Raghavan got All India first rank. Please follow. All India first rank. This is the most important information I want to convey. Coming for the unique features of Vetri.S, I have 3 important information to you. Number 1, our Vetri.S is containing 200 video lessons for all 4 subjects, 200 unit tests. So regarding for video lesson, my dear students studying +1, +2 and +2 completed students, all video lesson, if you view, it is a home-like, classroom-like atmosphere. You can see that professor standing in front of the board, writing on the board, explaining everything. Notes will be everything in the form of, in the board you can see the notes. And while it is running the video, if you want to take notes of any new information, because we are keeping the standard up to BHC level, so that easily you can face the IIT advanced the examination, you can easily write. And when you want to know, take any other extra information from the video, you just touch the video, it will stop like YouTube. Just like YouTube, then you can take notes, then again touch, it will move. Any number of times you can view the video. Please follow. This is one advantage. All the videos are taken by the experienced professor with a doctorate degree and 20 to 30 years of experience in IIT and medical coaching. Also, they are teaching for BSc, MSc, MPhil and PhD students. So, they have very highly qualified and experienced professor giving you very clear idea. You can easily understand the basic concept. Very, very important informations. Coming for the unit test, we have 200 unit tests, approximately 50 units for each subject. Remember, among the 50 units, each unit have two tests. So, for example, in this case, carbonyl compound, we have test 1 and you have test 2, 45 questions and 45 questions. So totally there are 90 questions. So all the 90 questions are taken from previous question papers of, that is nearly 20 years of question papers of IIT, AIMS, AFMC, AIPMT, AFMC, MSET Andhra, Delhi, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry. Only these question papers are framed in 200 unit tests. What is the advantage? Kindly follow. The advantage we have observed is for the last 6 years in NEET Common Entrance Examination, we observed 75 to 80 questions, same question repeated. Same questions repeated without any change. That means Vetty daughters giving you 320 marks. If you attend 200 tests, you will get without any problem same question. Definitely it will come to your mind. So 320 marks. If you are a very good student and a hard worker, you will get 300 plus. So easily you will get 600 to 700. Please follow. So you will become all India rank. You will get all India rank. You will become a doctor and you can join anywhere you like. JIPMAR, AIMS or Vellore, anywhere you like you will join. Please follow. This is the important information. Another important information is regarding the facility to test, to attend the test. This is different from other online coaching. Please follow. So if you just go inside by typing Vetty daughters in Chrome, you can enter our site, the register. Then again you can go to the, that is free, NEET free, that is free version is there. You can view the free version. But if you want to become a member of these other Vetty daughters, you have to pay 10,000, only 10,000, low cost, 10,000 rupees you have to pay per year for all the 4 subjects. Kindly follow here how to attend the test. There is if you touch the test, it will inside it will be 1 to the entire units will be there. So for example, in the case of carbonyl compound, if you just touch, there is an attempt will be there. And click attempt, a window will open. A window will open. In the window, the information will be there. This unit contains 45 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. For correct answer, 4 marks awarded. For wrong answer, -1 subtracted. So there are only 45 minutes to complete the test. Are you ready? It will ask. So if you are ready means, if before clicking OK, you take a rough notebook and pen and just in front of that, and we can click OK, immediately a window will open. In the window you can see question number 1, you can see the question, and option A, option B, option C, option D you can see, and below that there are 3 menus will be there, and here below the D there is the clock will run. Clock will run. This is the clock. Clock from 45 minutes, it will go below 44:59, 44:58, like that it will move. That means you can see simultaneously clock you can see, and also what are the 3 menus? Center is complete. This you have to press only after completion. Right is next. You go for the next question. Left is reverse. Go for the previous question paper. And below 1 to 45 numbers will be there. Question number will be there. Because totally 45 question, 45 number will be there. What is the interesting information which is not available in other online leading coaching center? The 1 to 45 numbers will be in yellow color. Say for example, you want to attend the question number 1. So you observe A is the correct answer. Click A. Immediately you can observe here in 1 to 45 number 1 becomes green color, number 2 becomes blue color. All other remaining yellow color. That means it will show directly you have attended question number 1. So at any spot you can observe how many questions you attended, how many questions you have to attend. You can easily see from this. And also attended questions will be in blue color. Kindly follow. So after attending all the 45 questions, kindly follow, click complete, immediately a window will open. You can get in the window your marks you can see. Suppose 160 out of 180 because 45 into 4, 180. So you are getting 160 out of 180. So 20 marks you are losing. So what you want to know, where you have done mistake. So again, so Vetty daughters is giving provision for this, but others they are not giving this provision. What way? Kindly say review. Review menu is there. Kindly follow. In the review, if you click review, a window will open. A window will open. So what will happen? Question number 1, you can see the questions. Option A, option B, C, D. And the correct answer here will be in yellow color. And below it is a video solution. Kindly see, video solution is not available in any other online coaching. In leading online coaching in India. Only Vetty daughters is having. What is the advantage? I will tell you finally later. First, suppose you have already clicked A, it is in blue color. Your answer will be in yellow color. So you can compare yourself, your question is right or wrong. Both are same, your question is right. Both are different, your question is wrong. So you yourself identify correct or not. But if you go other online coaching center, online coaching of leading in India, they will, if you there is a solution, if you press solution, they will indicate only say A is correct, mean under the A some one word or one line will be typed material, you can see, that's all. Whether you have what question you attended, you cannot remember, because suppose we are going for 200 questions, all the 200, how can you remember? It is not easy. But our case is entirely different. Our software is giving such advantage. You can verify yourself, self-assessment you can do. So that you can improve your knowledge. So after, suppose blue and yellow is not correct, that means your answer is wrong, then click video. Immediately, a professor having doctorate degree with 20 to 30 years of experience in IIT and NEET coaching, medical coaching, so they will take class like classroom atmosphere. He will be standing in front of a board with a pen, a sketch pen, and he will write on the board. In the board, there is your question. You can see the question, you can see the option. He will read the question, he will read the option, and he will explain under what topic this is asked, under what subtopic this is asked, and what is the definition, what is the formula you have to apply, what is the difference between. So everything, including diagram, everything he will explain. So he will take minimum 5 to 15 minutes he will take to explain one question. Please follow. This is the unique feature of Vetty daughters. In other online leading coaching, you can see only one word or one line. So all the average students and below average adult student, you cannot understand at all, because they will simply by one line solution. How can you understand that? It will give a very clear idea. So this is the importance of this. So before concluding this, kindly follow. I want to give 3 important guidelines to get more marks in NEET Common Entrance Examination. What are the steps you have to follow? So there are, last year it is asked 200 questions. So 5 questions each one is a choice. Only you have to, 180 questions you have to attend. Kindly follow. So there are 3 steps you have to follow. What are the first step is, you have to follow first step, attend first botany, zoology, chemistry and physics. Kindly follow. So sometimes biology like this, they will give the 100 questions, chemistry separately, physics separately. So you go botany, zoology first, and then chemistry, and then physics. Only known question you attend. Suppose let us assume you know 100 questions is 100% known questions. Out of this 100 questions, Vetty Doctor is giving you already 80 questions is giving already. It's a bonus. If you attend Vetty Doctors, only from the question, our question bank, all our previous question paper, 80 questions will be repeated. Only 20 you are getting extra. So you are getting 400 marks. Step 2, you again follow second time botany, zoology, chemistry and physics. The difficulty question, that is theoretical difficulty questions, think twice, thrice. If it is more than 80% worth, if you feel it is correct, please tick. If it is less than 40%, no, don't attempt the question. Second step. Third step, go for the physics and chemistry. Chemistry, 1/3 of the questions will be problems. Physics, 50% will be problems. So, in the case of problem, third step, so you use suitable formula, apply suitable the data, units, calculate, so the multiply, divide, everything suitably, find out the answer. And compare with the option A, option B, option C, option D for the questions. And if your answer, your calculated answer is coincide with any one of the option A, B, C, D, you can put a tick mark. If it is not coinciding, once again, you verify the calculation, you have done any mistake, multiplication or division. After that, again, if you are getting the correct answer, tick. If it is not getting correct answer, don't click the cell. Then finally, click the finish or complete and come out. Please follow. By this way, I can give you guarantee you will get definitely 600 to 700 marks you will get in out of 720 in NEET Common Entrance Examination. So my dear students who are interested +1, +2 and +2 through completed student, if you want to join Vetty Doctors to improve your quality, so pay 10,000 rupees in the name of Santi, Director of Indian Bank, the Director of Vetty Coaching Center, and you have to pay in Indian Bank account number 7127194771, IFC code IDIB 000P134, and any query or information contact my cell number 989417645. This is our WhatsApp number also. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you very much for your kind observations. See you again in my next unit. Bye-bye.